So today's episode, I'm unboxing the legit Rocket Bunny kit straight from Rocket Bunny Japan in Kyoto. My good friend Mira-san is the owner of Rocket Bunny, and he always helps me out with all my projects. So here I'm actually unboxing a few items. My Toyoshima Craft side skirts, the Rocket Bunny full kit. The audio is shitty because I actually shot this with a cell phone, or not me, my buddy Tin next door. He shot it with a cell phone because we didn't have my camera that day and I wasn't expecting the box to come in. So here's a quick intro of what we're going to be working on the next few episodes. It's just going to be the body work, and it's going to take some time, but I want you guys to see how it actually goes on without fast forwarding and skipping, because some of you guys might be working on your own Rocket Bunny swap and you might want to see the details. Enjoy. Testing line. Yeah, just gotta sand that down. Really, that's the wing. Interesting.
It's pretty cool.
Gotta sand this smooth. Sometimes fiberglass are a little bit on the rough side. So that one's good. These are what is this? Toyoshima. Well, this can't be returned, so I'm not even gonna bother opening. I'll just put it somewhere here. Put it back all in the box after. That one was special ordered from another vendor. Right.
Toyoshima Craft.
Is that what it says?
Yeah. Toyo Craft.
Toyo.
Toyoshima Craft.
These are the flares.
End up cutting my fenders.
Next time, bring box cutters. My Cayman kit was super smooth from the factory because it was kit 1 out of 1. So it's like super fresh mold.
Yeah. Mold's not used. No mileage on the molds.
Right. Right. This is. I didn't even know it goes under the side skirt. This looks like could be the rear instrument.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know, he really loves tape.
Could say it keeps things together.
If I didn't have to go to Hawaii this weekend, this thing would have been on. Okay. Get to it next week.
Wow.
Okay.
That's great.
Yeah, this is the rear for sure. Double check.
That's good.
I didn't say test fit, I said double check, make sure there's no crack. I know it's gonna fit. So yeah, you want to do this, make sure everything's perfect, because it's a bitch to fix fiberglass. I feel like the feathers are the same. How is it?
Pretty cool.
Is it super wide?
Kind of goes over the bump. Yeah, this is hella wide.
Hella wide?
Hella.
How much wider do you think it is? 40? It's just over an inch. No? Closer to it. Then it's like one of those unboxing videos on YouTube.
What? This came from Japan?
Yes, sir. Straight from Kyoto.
Feels like it.
Huh?
28.5 mil. It's a good amount.
Was that the rear or the front?
This appears to be the rear.
How's the fitment?
Pretty good.
Is this the rear?
It's pretty hard to tell because
This looks like the rear.
of the
Radius? Hard to tell what.
because John has the pillar support underneath
Which one? The car?
and the sides of it as well. I can't really wrap this around underneath.
Okay. Oh, damn, that's some sharp fiberglass.
You okay?
Cut me.
Is it that?
No. How bad can you really get cut from fiberglass?
Who did that?
The brand.
Yeah, this is sharp, dude. It's like a freaking blade. What else is in here? Front lid. Last piece. Who's washing?
Me?
Again?
Again?
Dude, you wash like 3 times a week?
No. Once.
Is that the front or the rear? And A. Interesting that all the chassis codes are in English. Right? Even the Japanese write NA on there. Put that down. Put it down right there.
Right here.
And the front lid. People already replicate this kit. Yeah, because people are fucking cheap. Yeah. That's why we can't have nice things.
It's out there. Only matter of time. Do the first so I can.
Approaching that 10-minute mark. That's it.